Learn German fast with Frau Kohl.
Hallo und willkommen. In this short lesson, you learn how to introduce yourself in German, step by step, ganz einfach, meaning very easy. Let's go. Let's start with your name. In German, we can say, Ich heiße Brenda. I'm called Brenda. Or we can say, mein Name ist Brenda, meaning my name is Brenda. Or you can also say, ich bin Brenda, meaning I am Brenda. Now that you've said your name, let's say where you are from. In German, we say, ich komme aus Kenya. We say this way mostly when we are referring to the country of origin, where you come from. And if you want to add where you live, you can say, ich wohne in Nairobi, for example. Great. Now we already know your name and where you are from. Next, let's talk about languages. How can you state the languages that you speak? You can say, ich spreche Englisch und ein bisschen Deutsch. Ein bisschen means a little. This is very useful for beginners. Now, let's add what you do professionally. For example, ich bin Lehrerin. Or you can say, ich arbeite als Lehrerin. And when you're still a student, you can say, ich bin Studentin. Oder ich bin Student if you're male, student. And finally, let's add something personal, a hobby. In German, we often say gern to show what we like. So you can say, ich mache gern Yoga. Or ich mache gern Sport. Ich lese gern. I like reading. Ich reise gern. I like traveling. Now let's put everything together in one short introduction. Hallo, ich heiße Brenda. Ich komme aus Kenia und wohne in Nairobi. Ich spreche Englisch, Swahili und ein bisschen Deutsch. Ich arbeite als Lehrerin. Ich mache gern Yoga. Sehr gut. Now you can introduce yourself in German. For short German lessons like this, subscribe to my YouTube channel at Learn German with Frau Kohl.